Well, as pediatricians, vaccines have been a part of a child's life from the time they're born. So, really, we want to have parents describe that they're going to be going to a mobile vaccine clinic or um, a site to get their vaccine. And really, it's just like all the other vaccines they've gotten to protect their body from an infection so that they don't get sick. Many of the children may or may not remember these vaccines. So it's just important to talk to them and remind them that this is something that is going to protect them from COVID-19. And truthfully, at this point in the pandemic, many children have heard about vaccines. Many are asking when it's their turn. So it's something that, depending on the age level of the child, the parents can talk about this in different ways, but they can always reach out to their healthcare provider to provide more information if they have any concerns. Another way to talk about getting a COVID-19 vaccine to your child is to talk about, unfortunately, many of the things that they've missed out on during this pandemic. So, even right now, having a vaccine changes the way you may have increased ability to be on different team sports or be able to participate in more activities, going to the movies. Some of those things that are tangible to the child may make things much more understandable if there's any concern or if they're a little nervous.
Yeah, it's so true what Dr. Ching said. Many of the kids have been hearing us talk about vaccines for a long time now, actually, and they pick up a lot more than sometimes you might realize. My kids, for instance, have been asking me every week, Mom, when can I get my shot? I think much like counseling kids on getting their routine childhood shots, it's really talking about how this is serving as a way to protect their body from diseases that could affect them. So it's really like I sometimes describe it to my kids like you have you're training the soldiers in your body to recognize when something comes in that shouldn't be there, and they can fight it off. So there's lots of ways to talk to kids about it, but really it's much like any other shot, a flu shot that they might have gotten before.